Welcome back to Web Design Psychology, the place where we deal with the tacts, the arts, and the acts of web design. Now, in our last video, we dealt with managing WordPress comments. In this video, we'll be handling two parts of our module, working with WordPress sidebars and widgets, and building and maintaining menus. Why we're going to do this? Because while we are still doing an overview, um, or what we'll be doing this very part is a mini overview, while once we have done our full installation, we'll be able to understand better, see better how sidebars and widgets work. Then we'll be able to see the issues of building and maintaining WordPress. We'll see explicit use of the sidebars and widgets, see explicit use of the menus. Now come with me as we travel along. Now for widgets, like I told you, widgets are tiny, they are tiny parts to your website. Things added, like you go to a website, you see, let me see if we'll get something here. Okay, let's look at some examples so that we really get a full view and understanding of widgets. Like you can see recent comments. All these are widgets. Recent posts, say widget, recent comments, widget, archives, widget, category widget. You can add more. We have inactive widgets and all that. We have the ones that are active and so on and so forth. But it won't be clear here. Let's look for some WordPress sites so that we are able to get a clearer picture. Imagine Obama.org was designed with WordPress. Every site I'm going to show you was designed with WordPress. This is great. A lawyer's kind of WordPress. I really need you to see this. I like the look and feel of these websites. This is the menu. Employees. Simple. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? You see expertise. I just need you to see this one. Management. I just need you to see this site. Not because of the widgets in, but I needed to see the look and feel of this site, the way they did it. Now let's take our move. It's true. We have 99% invisible is a site designed with WordPress, and it's called, this is what we call a magazine site. Don't worry, I will explain that. There's a little difference. Just a magazine site is an advanced blog. The same thing as blog, but just an advanced blog. You see all these posts. Bumblebee boss markings, have the British stole. These are all posts. Everything you're seeing here is a post. Everything you're seeing here is a post. Yes, they are all posts. But let's look to the side. This is an advert. You see, ads by Google. It's a widget that brought that out. Explore. Everything you're seeing here was put here using a widget. That same widget runs what you see here about. This menu you're seeing here is being run by a widget. What you're seeing here is being run by a widget. Now let's look at this site, Angry Birds. You know the game Angry Birds? Their website was designed using what's it called? WordPress. Now, I forgot to tell you that this part where you have these widgets along the side is called the sidebar. For this one is the right sidebar. You know, then this is the this is the right sidebar. The other one is the left sidebar. This one has two sides. It has the right and left sidebar with the content being at the middle. Now, if you check this post, you discover this was made August 12, 2019. Then comment. This was made, I told you about featured image. Can you see that? Was saying, get ready for the Angry Birds movie 2 premiere with new in-game events. See a picture to depict that. Then a little write-up, read more. By the time you open, you might be able to see new other images if they added other images and so on. But on this general blog page, you see it that is just post, 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 the title, the featured image, a little write-up. That's what you just keep seeing. But you also don't miss the date, 29th, 2019. The next one is March 27, 2019, March 20th, 2019, February 27, 2019. You see, I can go on and on. Different pages will have so many like that. So this is different widgets here. Popular posts, a widget puts that. Categories, a widget put that. Archive by month. Remember I told you that posts can be categorized. Then after you have posted them, they are now archived by months. Can you see that? Then we have links. It's a widget that brought this out also. What you're seeing at this point also from our Twitter, it's a widget that brought that out. So that's basically it for widgets. That's basically it for widgets. So, and the sidebars. It is the sidebars that form the structure where you fixing the widgets. Yes, there are other widgets that you can put inside the website, inside your posts. Like at times you see that somebody makes a post and in between the post you see adverts. Is a widget that brought about that advert and so on. So widgets are small snippets that can be used to add little functionalities, to the site, little places. But plugins on their own, those ones work from behind. They also add functionality. They extend the functionality of your website on a larger scale than just the widgets.